The product called Near Protocol means to boost a PC organization to work a stage where designers can shape and send off decentralized applications. The fundamental idea called sharding is set apart by the protocol's plan, simply to partition the organization's foundation into numerous compartments, so the hubs can hold a small portion of the organization's all-out exchanges. Thus, sharding makes the recovery of organization information and scaling of the stage a significantly more effective way, as it disseminates the fragments across the organization. Like Amazon Web Services (AWS) and other unified information capacity, Near likewise fills in as a base layer for building applications on it. In any case, a circulated organization of PCs works and keeps up with Near, as opposed to showing to a solitary element. Close to Protocol likewise urges an engineering like AWS, as their designers execute code in the cloud without a need to make their own framework, and Near Protocol is based on a PC organization and the local digital money token Near. Close to Protocol, Near, fundamental analysis. The Near Protocol goes through their local area of makers, pioneers, and a few trump cards that cooperate to fabricate areas of strength for A. It as of now has in excess of 1 million records on the stage, with in excess of 100 organizations and DAOs, more than 83,000 individuals, and in excess of 5 million bucks of the local area store. The stage can assist clients with making associations among individuals with similar interests. It likewise creates a positive effect by giving administration, information, and cash to individuals, and subsequently gives a superior future to the people who add to building it. Individuals love to make their living in the wake of getting compensated for their commitments on the organization, as it is exceptionally straightforward, versatile, interoperable, and is a confirmed environment nonpartisan blockchain. Essentially, Near is a stage that has applications with admittance to a shared secure pool containing cash, character, and information constrained by their clients. Their people group called societies make up a sublime Near people group, and every one of them share a common mission for driving a more open, associated, and customer-situated world. Any client can begin learning and procuring with high advancement in numerous ways, including open web sandbox, schooling, joining Strife, and local area occasions. An open sandbox is a solid spot for asking questions and getting comfortable. The stage gives a chance to learn and investigate the rudiments and advances of the biological system. They can join the dissension and local area occasions to enter continuous discussions. How does Near Protocol work? Rather than boosting pools, the organization actuates permissionless commitment with potential hub administrators to safeguard genuine decentralization. Close to Protocol carries out the edge proof of stake marking instrument to make the cycle exceptionally fair, decentralized, and unsurprising. This forestalls serious areas of strength for the from pooling and empowers a wide contribution by hubs. As they limit the obstacles for hubs at the entry, the hub doesn't just accomplish network decentralization, yet additionally allows more hubs to join Near, a powerful scaling framework, and become further. Close likewise animates the adaptation of foundation for designers and organizations in an extremely protected, principled, and less obtrusive way. A summoned agreement makes a piece of the organization's expenses doled out to it unexpectedly, which the agreement maker can pull out. This engages the early foundation improvement with framework designers and a business model application. The makers can in this manner get benefit from their work. In April 2020, the primary phase of its multi-stage mainnet rollout started. The organization dealt with a proof of authority (POA) agreement framework in which the non-benefit association Near Foundation upholds the improvement of the protocol and works the hubs. In September 2022, the second phase of Near's mainnet rollout occurred with an organization change. Not at all like the unified first stage, Near Protocol started outsider onboarding validators in this stage, and not just the Near Foundation oversaw it. October 2020 was set apart with an on-chain overhaul for making the blockchain local area represented. It was the last stage for Near's slow way rollout arranged till now. In this stage, an on-affix administration vote chose to give the convention administration obligation to the local area, and the element of token exchange and protocol rewards were additionally opened. In April 2021, network mix occurred after the Near Foundation presented a rainbow span for associating Ethereum with Near blockchains. Close to protocol, Near price analysis. The Near protocol cost is $12.50 as of now, with an exchanging volume of $900 million. As of now, its positioning, as indicated by CoinMarketCap, is number 19, with a market cap of more than $8.4 billion. It has a greatest stockpile of 1 billion Near coins and a coursing supply of 673 million Near coins. It is performing very well concerning cost, and the cost is flooding at an extremely high speed. Crypto Vault Near price prediction. We have given under a gauge of future costs of Near protocol that are not to be considered as exchanging guidance. Close to protocol price prediction 2022, by remembering the present bullish pattern of Near, its adaptability, and completely sharded and permissionless blockchain, we foresee a rise in the cost of the Near protocol token this year, 2022. Following this example, we expect the base cost of the Near coin to be $18, the typical cost to be $20, and the greatest cost to be $22. Close to protocol price prediction 2023. By taking a gander at the news in regards to the short and long haul cost patterns, alongside its multi-stage mainnet rollout and confirmation of authority agreement, we feel that the base cost of Near is $30, with a typical cost of $34. By confronting every one of the antagonistic circumstances forcefully, it is probably going to stir things up around town value level of $40. Close to protocol price prediction 2024. In the wake of noticing the stunning exhibition of Near on the lookout, its bullish ride, and its administration by the Near groundwork and outsider validators, we expect a base cost of $50. With its great potential to accomplish an exorbitant cost, the most extreme value this year can be about $65, with a typical cost of around $58. Close to protocol price prediction 2025. This year could end up being truly important regarding value this year, as Near protocol can outperform the most elevated level of $85, as no basic component like pandemics or downturn is supposed to shake the worldwide economy. Their on-chain administration, token exchange, and rewards can make their base cost as high as $75, with a typical cost of $80. Is Near a wise venture? Indeed, it is a wise venture, as anticipated by us and the vast majority of the crypto-related sites.